Over the next 7 days, I'm going to be attempting to buy and resell phones on Facebook Market by offering people 30 to 50% of their listing price. And my goal for this is to make at least $500 to $1,000 in a week. The phone flipping business model is a very simple and easy way to generate extra income for yourself on the side. All you need to do is search Facebook Market or Kijiji for who is selling their phone and offer to buy it for less, then reselling it back on Facebook or Kijiji for profit. So let's just jump right into it and see how much I can make within the period of 1 week. So the first thing I'll be doing is obviously message a bunch of people on Facebook and offer them a low amount of money than their listing price, and whoever agreed to my price, I'm going to meet them up and buy the phone. Alright, so the first one I saw is this iPhone 12 listed for $500.
She didn't get it.
I was able to negotiate it down to $430 and she agreed to my price. So I'm going to be meeting up with this girl or with this lady. The second phone I'll be picking up the same day is this iPhone 11 listed for $380, and I was able to negotiate that one. I was able to negotiate this one down to $300, and I'll be meeting both of them at the same day. So let's go and pick up the phone. Alright, so these are the two phones I got. The iPhone 11 actually has a little bit of crack on the back, but it's not really a big deal. It's still fixable. Right now it's dead. I'm going to charge it, but I charged it, but I tested it before I picked it up and it's working, but fortunately by the time I go home it was dead. And this iPhone 12 actually comes with the box and it's very clean. I think I should be able to make good money from this because it comes with the iPhone, the box, the charger, and the girl even put this headphone jack there. So this phone works. It works really well. So what I'm going to do now is clean up the phones and take some really nice pictures and upload it on Facebook. This phone is pretty much clean, but I'm still going to like do a little bit of finishing to it so it looks extra crispy and clean. And this one is a little bit dirty by the camera, so I'm going to clean this one up as well and take some really nice pictures and upload them on Facebook Markets and sell them for profit.
24 hours later.
I'm on my way to go meet up with someone that wants to buy the iPhone 12. I listed this phone for like $520, but this guy was able to like negotiate it down. And the only reason why I accepted his offer was because he said he just got back from Ukraine and he needed a new phone. And I was like, you know what, I'll just do my part for the Ukraine, you know. So I'm still making profit from it, but it's just like $30 profit, which I don't really mind. So I listed the phone for like $520, hoping to sell it for like $480, $490. But I was like, nah, I can't go lower than $460 to the guy. And it was like, yeah, but when it comes to him coming to me, it was like, oh, I live far away, you can't come. I was like, you know what, don't worry, I'll come to you. It's just like 30 minutes drive, I don't mind. So I'm meeting up with him right now for $460 for a $30 profit, which I don't really mind. For the sake of this challenge, I can't keep up. I had someone that messaged me that was like, he's gonna come check out the phone today. I think the person was gonna agree with the $520 price that I had, because this phone is really clean and it comes with the box and the charger, right? So I'm meeting up for a $30 profit, which I don't mind. And after that, I'm going to pick up another iPhone 11, cracked screen, listed for $150. I was able to negotiate it down to $100, but the guy lives 1 hour 40 minutes away. So I was like, for the sake of this challenge, I would drive 1 hour 45 minutes just to pick up the phone. And I already found someone that wants to fix it for like $79. But there is a place in Markham, the Pacific Mall in Markham, where there's like a bunch of like Chinese phone repair. Like, that's a Chinese mall, but they repair phones and they sell phones accessories, right, and other stuffs. So I might fix it there for cheaper price than $79 or $80 the guy was asking me. So I'm going to try the Pacific Mall first, and if it's cheaper there, I'll fix it there. And if it's not cheap, if the guy I found is cheaper, I'll go to the guy. So just to make sure that I make enough profit as possible. So if I fix the phone, if I'm able to fix the phone for like $70 or $80, I'll all in on the phone for $180 or $170, and I can sell the phone for like $350. Easy, $350. So that's my selling price for the phone, $350. So that's what it is right now. I'm meeting up with the guy for the iPhone 12, then I'm driving 1 hour 45 minutes away to pick up iPhone 11, fixing it the same day. I'm not wasting no time. This is literally less than 24 hours, and I have people messaging me for the iPhone 11 as well, the first one. So let's see. I'm just trying to sell fast as possible. If I had enough time, maybe I might chill for the iPhone 12 to see higher bidder, but it's whatever. It's just 7 days challenge, right? So I have to act as fast as possible. So let's just go. We'll go meet up with the guy now.
Thank you. This never lock, yeah?
Sorry?
This never lock.
It's unlocked.
Yeah, unlock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can check. It's unlocked. This is day 7 of 7 of me recording this video. So we're just gonna go through how the week went. When I got to the guy that wanted to buy the iPhone 12's place, he entered the car, checked out the phone. We had a little bit of conversation for like 10 minutes. We were talking about how he moved from Ukraine to Winnipeg and he's in Toronto to visit one of his family members, and he was checking out the phone at the same time. So while we were having a conversation and while he was checking out the phone, I made him feel so much comfortable because I'm a very nice guy. So I make people feel comfortable. So it got too comfortable to the point that he said this statement.
If you go in Winnipeg after, give me a message.
No problem,
We have coffee time. Okay?
no problem, man. So I guess when I go to Winnipeg now, I get to have a free coffee with a stranger now. But anyways, I sold the phone to him, $460, $30 profit, no biggie. We'll move on. So right away, I got on my way to pick up the iPhone 11 cracked screen, and which was about 1 hour 45 minutes away. I'm not wasting no time. By the time I got to the woman's place, I paid her the money, took the phone, and immediately, not wasting no time, got on my way to the Pacific Mall to get the phone fixed and post it up on Facebook or Kijiji to get it to get the business going, you know. So by the time I got to the Pacific Mall, literally the first store I entered, I was like, I want to fix this iPhone 11 Pro, and the lady was like $90. I was like, there's no way I'm fixing this phone for $90 because I'm trying to make as much profit as possible, and I don't want to be all in for $190 because it reduces the profits, right? So I told the woman I'll be right back. I went to the second store. I literally went to, the guy told me $75 fixed in 10 minutes. I was like, ooh. I tried to negotiate this down to like $70. Maybe the guy is going to do it, but $75 is really not a bad price too. So I was like, you know what, just fix it. $75, 10 minutes, boom. So after 10 minutes, the guy fixed the phone and I was on my way home. As soon as I got home, I cleaned up the phone, took a picture of it and posted it up on Facebook and Kijiji. And literally less than 24 hours, I was able to find a buyer that was willing to pay $330. So by the time I set up the appointment with the buyer, I met up with him, and by the time I got to the buyer's place, he checked out the phone. Everything looks nice. He paid me, leaving me with a profit of $155 plus the $30 profit we made on the iPhone 12, bringing our profit for the week to $185. The last phone that I had with me, the iPhone 11 Pro, the one that has a crack at the back, took me some days before I could sell it, just because it had the crack at the back. I don't want to fix it, so I was like, you know what, I'll wait till I find right buyer for it. Although I had a lot of people message me, I have a bunch of people message me for the phone, but I don't really go with the price that most of them are demanding. But then I found a buyer that wanted to buy it for $350, which like what I'm actually looking to sell it for. I got the phone for $300. That's a $50 profit right there. I was able to meet up with the man, checked out the phone is good. I was paid $350, which brings our total profit for the week to $235. I was going to meet up with another guy to buy iPhone 12 cracked back for $100, but I don't have enough time to go meet him up, go fix the phone and sell it, because this challenge is just for 7 days and it has to be 7 days. Although I was unable to reach my goal of making $500 for the week, but I still think $235 is not bad as a profit for selling iPhone on the side for 7 days. If I continue to do this for 1 month, I can guarantee to make additional between $600 to $1,000 profit on the side, which is not bad. So on the scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this side also a side gig, whatever you want to call it, 8.5 out of 10, just because you want to be really careful while meeting up with people to buy the phone. You could get scammed, people driving away, taking up the phone away. So you really want to be careful. It's kind of risky, but at the same time, if you know what you're doing, you want to be like really careful. So that's why I'm giving it an 8.5 out of 10. If it's something that you think like you would try, please put it down in the comment sections. And that comes to the end of the video. If you want to enjoy videos like this, where I'll be testing out different side hustles to see if it's really worth it or not, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever I drop a new video. And don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. I will see you in my next video.